Carolina, 21 wins, 43 points. We're underway. Nashville just getting to double-digit wins on Saturday. Unthinkable when the season started, but trying to chip away one game at a time. Andrew Brunette saying just win 2 out of 3. Yeah, steady play. A lot of hockey left to be played.
That's the mentality. You can't look at the standing and say, hey, we got to win every game. We got to win every game. Otherwise, we're not going to. You got 2 out of 3. You keep chipping away. You keep chipping away. They're playing well right now.
And right in front, and a good shot from the slot by Jordan Staal. Behind the net, Sebastian Aho. As you can see, the depth on this Carolina team is what makes them so strong. Here's Jacob Slavin wheeling the backhand in front. The rebound was there for just a moment. Moved up the boards and cut off by Carolina. Aho wins it over to a point, but there was no teammate there. Zach Larue leads Ryan O'Reilly through center ice. O'Reilly opens up and shoots on Tokarski, and he makes his first save. In the 4-on-4, Nyquist and O'Reilly rounding out the group. Here's Nyquist. Josi has some space, gets to the slot, shoots. Tokarski on his forehand, looks to create. Brings it out high, Lauzon down the traffic. And through the screen, Tokarski makes the stop.
Little change of pace here for Bruno to manage. I don't know if it'll be Richards.
That one tipped by Jankowski, in on Tokarski, save is made!
And they've been great, and we talked about it a lot in the pregame and in the broadcast. Got 4 lines.
Marchessault stopped by the glove of Dustin Tokarski, who has made his presence felt.
There's a different swagger to his game, and this line in particular that you commented before comes down.
Out to Forsberg, over to Stamkos, stolen by Burns, a 2-on-1 coming. Brent Burns coming in with Staal. Over to Staal, saved by Saros!
Tell who the other team kills, and they let their star players, as you see Brent Burns coming up the ice with that beard, and then Saros comes flying across, but this is a good job. Forsberg goes over, he forces that pass. So Staal he didn't get it quickly because Burns had to rifle that across because Forsberg pressured, and that allows Juice to get over and make a big save there on
who they let go for the big contracts to their new teams. Here's Josi trying to turn the corner. Shovels it towards the net. Turn back, now picking up Forsberg. Jackknifes his way. Backhander in front for Stamkos. Looking wraparound. Bounce to the side of the net. It's in! He scores!
This line has a ton of skill on it, but what's making them successful is their work ethic. They are working their tails off every single shift. It started with the battle on the wall. This is the aftermath. Forsberg was on the wall, won that battle. Look at Tokarski. He loses his glove, and Stamkos just doesn't give up on it. And you see that puck. You actually can't see the puck anymore. There it is. Ends up behind Tokarski.
On this December 23rd. December 23rd of 1998, Mace. I don't know if you remember that. There was a big snowstorm, and the Predators played the Red Wings, getting only his 2nd start of the season. He was unemployed at Thanksgiving. Nashville a 2-on-1 down low. Here's the shot into the glove of Tokarski.
That makes a nice, there's the look off, and Tokarski wasn't buying that as Gostisbehere was down.
Zach Larue scored a goal on Saturday, and it was a big one. In there with Nyquist in front, Larue all by himself, sits it over, save Tokarski! Oh, that was robbery.
And this is maybe the best one, and as a goaltender, you're trying to read information. You could see there, he was thinking pass all the way. Larue actually.
Jack Roslovic took a hard body shot there from Barron. Barron up the ice, nice pass to Josi. Crisscrossing, gives it off Nyquist. In front, Tim!
They're winning a lot of the 50-50s and playing some really good hockey.
Josi to the middle, bumpers it back, picked up Novak. Backdoor score! Marchessault is on a roll. He continues to light the lamp.
A hot stick Marshy up to his old tricks again. Go to the net hard, and the Predators continue to pressure the Hurricanes. Look at him, just gets in that right spot, strong on his stick. Beautiful pass up and over. That's the key to that play there, is the way he's able to lift and elevate that puck. And that is not an easy shot, and Marchessault.
Nashville winning a lot of the battles right now. If you can do that against the Hurricanes, that's a good sign. Here's Aho stealing a pass, driving to the net, rebound. Oh, what a stop by Saros. 2 saves for UC Saros to the timeout.
There's the one, Evangelista, right to the middle, wide open net. There comes Tyson Jost, and then Saros. 2 big saves. Good back check there by Jost all the way to the net. That puck was, Tokarski was extremely aggressive on Evangelista. He was really the only threat there.
Now Gostisbehere with a good move, hit the post.
Tonight.
That's good stuff, and that echoes Mackenzie about how fast they're playing against really one of the fastest teams in the league. Moving the puck, it's really efficient, getting out of the zone, through the neutral zone, and just laying bodies every chance they get.
Missy Lotto, Powerball power play, number 2 for the Bret. Right in front, O'Reilly scores! A breakthrough on the power play.
It's a big power play goal for a power play that's been struggling as of late. There's been some momentum there, but watch this. Marchessault goes back. There's no panic. Look at the quick pass there by Forsberg, who is just racking up the assists. But watch Factor. He gets the puck. He doesn't get it clean from skate to stick and lifts it up and over. Tokarski. Preds up 3-0.
Batted out of the air. Sissons keep pushing it all the way back. Remember, Nashville only dressed 11 forwards. Tearing down the tunnel. Jankowski is loose. He scores!
Again, hard work. Look at the battles, the 50-50s. The Preds are winning them all. And then another one, great skate to stick here by Jankowski. But look at him, he's going to get above the puck there. The puck comes to him. And he gets it from his skate to his stick and just lasers one.
Be sipping some victory eggnog when that goes on, Mace, but still some work to do. Pushing it ahead. Carrier, erased by Shen, and they score. Jordan Staal gets on the board for the Canes. And Nashville gives up one that they didn't want to give up.
Jordan Martin behind the net, I believe. Coming in and watch, they'll get the puck back right here, and he sees Staal. He's got a little bit of time to make that pass. Bad angle. Stahl's ready to shoot this right away, and it ends up going off the glove of UC Saros at a tough angle. They gave up a goal there, but they've still been the better team here in the third. Just keep going. Just keep playing the same way.
Canes with possession. Roslovic has an open man. Jarvis across. Score! 2 goals in a row, and we got a hockey game again. Aho puts it in. And the Canes have
Get that next goal. The potential, the game that could put it away. And nice little open up there by Jarvis and Aho. What a play by him. Saros overcommits because that pass goes to his skate. But Aho kicks it right there. He's going to where the puck is going. It was to his skate, but he kicked it back.
that they're known for. Nashville led 4-0. But just for a moment, here's another open man down low. Saved by Saros. It stays in play. Sends it in behind UC Saros, who will stop it behind the net and play it. Up the boards, Nyquist. Nyquist turned back. Shot coming in. Saved by Saros. The rebound cleared. Sitting next to Rod Brindamore. Here's Shea. Tries to clear the zone. Forsberg. Can't get it out. Broken stick on the ice. 2-on-1 down low. Deflected by Blankenburg. And punched out by Saros.
The Carolina Hurricanes all over them. Look at this little, right there off of Blankenburg's leg. And then Saros just lifts his.
Comes to the rescue after Shea broke the stick. Big face-off here. One to Necas. A blast in front. Blocked by Forsberg. He fires it at the empty net. He missed it. Rebound! Marchessault! Yes, sir! Second of the game for Marchessault.
And this is huge. Look at the work off of the face-off. Big shot block there by Forsberg. He's going for the empty net. Marchessault anticipates, beats everyone up the ice and just taps it in to the empty net. That goal is out.
Nashville will take him home. job well done. 3-0-1 on the homestand for the Predators.